Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage, where I hope you're having a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. Just want to give you a year-end review, kind of be excited about some things we accomplished this year and some goals for next year. So it looks like this year we've had a fantastic year when we're doing our year-end review. I'm really excited about it, especially our YouTube, and now our Patreon is up as well. I love the $500 car challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you haven't checked it out, you gotta go watch it. I'm very proud of that video. I really thought that was a good one. I aim to do a lot more of those next year, at least 2. I'm thinking we're gonna go ahead and do one in the early springtime, and we might hit one up again in the fall because of its great success and the amount of people who are super excited about it. So leave us a comment letting us know what you wanna see for those kinds of challenges and budgets and what you wanna see. We're really gonna take some input from the audience this time. A lot more car reviews to do as well, mainly some of my personal cars. I know I've done the Ford and the Chevy, and you guys are definitely liking the trucks. And I've got a truck that I haven't touched on at all on the channel. In fact, I don't think it's even been featured ever in the channel. And I'd like to do that now that I've got some others of the same type to do that on. So be looking out for that coming up soon. I'm really excited because the Patreon has gotten a couple of videos under its belt already. I hope to continue that going forward next year. A lot more long form podcast type stuff and some behind the scenes, along with some project car updates that, you know, for YouTube to update it, I don't think it'll get very many views, but if you're really into the channel and you like the kind of projects that we're doing, you just want to know what happened to that, that's kind of the place that you should definitely go and check it out at. I'd really appreciate you over there, but I really appreciate the YouTubers as well. Keep us up, keep us relevant. More of the basic series. So I have a basic series. I don't even know if you all know about it, where I've been teaching people kind of the basics of car repair in the car world for technicians, for service writers, how the business runs, what car repair is all about, and just kind of the things that I didn't know going in that I wish that I would have. So I'm trying to be that for the next generation of technicians, to give away that information so that you guys kind of can be armed with it when you're joining this industry. Or if you're just curious about it because you've taken your car to the mechanic a bunch, and you're like, why do I keep doing this? And answering those kinds of questions on the basic series. So I want to really invest into that next year as well. It's been great growth here on YouTube. I think it's been fantastic. Thank you all so much for the subscribing, the likes, the comments, the ideas. I hope we've kept your interest, and you guys have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you next year.